Welcome everyone to this video. In this video, I am going to show you how to download earthquake ground motion data from Cosmos Virtual Data Center and also the use of Seismo signal to process those earthquake ground motion data. Okay, let us begin. Okay, now I am opening my web browser. In this Google, I'll search Cosmos Virtual Data Center. Okay. This is the link for Cosmos Virtual Data Center and Strong Motion Center. Okay, we'll click this link, first link. Okay. Here, Strong Motion Virtual Data Center, we can search earthquake by region, by stations, or directly we will search data search. So now for this video, I am searching these earthquakes by region. So I will click this link, then here. Okay, uh, so I'm selecting for earthquake for India. So I will select this region is Asia, India. So these are the earthquakes which happened, which occurred in India in past, uh, and this strong motion ground motion data center has data or information about this earthquake. So now I will select this India Burma border earthquake. This is 7.2 magnitude earthquake. So I will select this. Okay, this is a new screen. Okay, new page. Okay, here we can see this earthquake, where this earthquake occurred. This is occurred in India. Its latitude and magnitude, its depth and its magnitude. Okay, mechanism is unknown. So here we can see the stations. This is Bukazan station. This is Hazadisha station. This is Difu station, like Barlongfar. Like this, there are many stations. For now, I will select one station like Bukazan station, and I will collect data from these stations. If we want all the stations data, then we will directly click here. Okay, then we will go to the bin. But for this video, I will select this. Okay, by selecting this, I'm going to download all these components of that earthquakes in that Bukazan station, which are recorded in that Bukazan station. We can see this site geology soil type. It is soil, not rock. It is soil. So after clicking this, I will go to bin. So here I am in the bin. Here we can see this earthquake is this Indo-Burma border earthquake. This is selected. So now I'm going to proceed to download data. Okay, I'm going to proceed to download data. Now they will ask for our email address. So I'm giving my email address. Okay. Then I'll log in. Okay, now I will zip the seq files, and this is file is checked all these three components. Now I'll zip the seq file. Now I'll get one file to download here, and I will click this download file. Okay, it's downloaded. Okay, download is finished. Now I will open this folder here, and I will unzip this folder. Okay, I unzip this folder. Now I click in this. Here we can see all the three directions earthquake data, ground motion data, the longitudinal, transverse and vertical. So we'll open one of this file. This is open with WordPad. So here we can see some information about the earthquake. And India earthquake occurred this date. This is the date of occurrence of that earthquake. This is the station. You can see damping of that seismograph, and also here we can find the peak ground acceleration 1.48 meter per second square at 22.84 second. Okay, these are the accelerations data points. They are recorded in an interval of 0.02 seconds. Okay, uh, here there are per row there are 8 columns: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. It's not showing like 8 columns, but there are 8 columns due to the size of this file, but there are 8 columns per row. So let us close this for now, and let us open uh, let us close this, and next we will go for this Seismo signal. Okay, okay, this is the opening screen of Seismo signal. So now we'll try to open our that earthquake ground motion acceleration data from here. So I'll click this button. So here we can see we are in that folder. Okay, this is the folder where the earthquake ground motions informations are there, but the file is not that file. So we'll click all files and check which are the files. Okay, this is our file. This is longitudinal directions earthquake ground motion data. So we'll click here and open it. Okay, previously I told you that uh, this ground motion data has 8 columns per rows. You can check 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. So uh, to open this file in this Seismo signal, we have to give some additional information to this window. So first line starts at 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. In 7 line, first line is that, but this is not single acceleration value per line, neither time and acceleration values per line. This is multiple accelerations value per line. So we'll click here. Okay, so frequency is 1, initial value skip will be 0. Okay, so no value need to be skipped. Total 8 columns, 8 values per row, and we can check that this is acceleration data points at the interval of 0.02 seconds. So time steps is 0.02, and last line we have to check what is the last line. And okay, first check our first line. You can click here, you can see it's the 7th line is the first line. We click here 7, and scale factor is 1. Okay, then we'll check where is our up to which line we have this quick acceleration data. So let's check. Okay, up to here it is acceleration data. After this breakdown velocity data here. So let's check what is line 368. Okay, we'll put last line at 368. Again, one more thing we have to check here is this change unit. Okay, let's check here. We can check the unit is meter per second square. So we have to change all these things uh, into meter per second square. This is g, not g. We have to change it to meter per second square. Velocity meter and displacement is meter, and click OK. Okay, now we'll click OK here. Okay, and the all data will be loaded to this Seismo signal. But first let us check this first two values. This is 0.02 and this value is 0.03. Okay, let's click OK. Okay, let's see, the first value is 0.02 and second value is 0. And it's 0.03. Okay, all these things are loaded, all the data are loaded into this Seismo signal. Next, what we have to do from here, we can directly copy this thing into Excel file. Let us open Excel file here. This is our Excel file. So we can copy all these values to our Excel file. Okay, what we can do is click here. Okay, Ctrl plus all, I'm clicking, and Control plus V. Sorry, not V, Control plus C. Okay, all data are copied, and here my Excel is opening. It is okay. We can paste it here. So the first line is time and second line is acceleration per meter square. It also give us time versus velocity and time versus displacement. Here you can see there are plot where this is nice plot. Time versus displacement plot is also good. This is time versus velocity plot. All are this is meter per second square, meter per second, and meter. So here we'll get here, can copy paste those data into Excel. This is time and this is acceleration in meter per second square. Okay, from here whatever we want to do is we can do with this data in Excel. So we can make one graph of this scattering graph of this earthquake data. So you can see this is an earthquake ground motion data. So we can do anything with this data. We can whatever we want. Okay, but here we have some other facilities like Fourier series, Fourier spectrum. We can see what is the Fourier amplitude and power amplitude here in this Seismo signal. Other series we can generate elastic response spectrum. Here we can give elastic response spectrum damping is for 5%, period versus acceleration. Okay, so if we check period versus acceleration and do this refresh button, then we can see this is response acceleration versus period. Okay, you can generate those things, and we can generate those things values. Okay, here you can see displacement, velocity, acceleration. Yeah, take the acceleration. This is period versus accelerations are values are here. Okay, you can just click here. You can just also copy paste all these things. We can generate your response spectrum also from here. CTR plus all, CTR plus C. Just paste here. So basically, we can process data in this Seismo signal very quickly and very easily. So here what happened, what we did is think that the earthquakes data are in multiple columns with 8 columns per rows. So we converted that into time versus acceleration values. So many things we require this time versus acceleration plot. We also sometimes we require this period versus spectral acceleration plot. Okay, here okay, here we can see ground motion parameters are also there. Maximum acceleration you can check. Also many things you can check here. Okay, for this video I'm finishing it here. So thank you for watching my video. Hope this video will help you. Okay, thank you and goodbye.